In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating infographic for kids using Google Slides. Infographics are an excellent way to convey information in a fun and visually appealing manner, especially for children. So, let's dive right into the process and make learning enjoyable for the little ones. First things first, we'll need to set the stage by preparing our environment. Head over to Google Slides and create a new blank presentation. At this point, it's crucial to set up our slide size to suit an infographic format. Typically, dimensions like 700 by 2000 pixels work well, offering ample space for creativity while ensuring it's not too overwhelming. Pick a background that's both visually appealing and age-appropriate, perhaps a bright color, or an image that resonates with the theme of your infographic. With our slide set up, we now shift our focus to the design and layout, which serves as the backbone of our infographic. Begin by dividing your slide into clear sections. You can use shapes, lines, and other design elements to neatly separate these areas. This structure will guide viewers through the information smoothly. Now it's time to sprinkle in some engaging visuals. Choose images, icons, or illustrations that align with the content and are easy for kids to grasp. Additionally, opting for kid-friendly fonts is vital. Select styles that are easy to read but still visually interesting for young eyes. The color palette plays a significant role too. Bright and cheerful colors can make your infographic stand out and appeal to children. Aim for a harmonious blend that complements your topic while ensuring it remains accessible and attractive. Moving on to content and text, clarity is key when crafting messages for children. Use simple and straightforward language that they can easily understand. It's essential to break down text into smaller, digestible pieces and pair these with visuals to maintain their attention and effectively convey your points. If your infographic includes data, consider incorporating charts or graphs. Be sure these are simplified for a younger audience, making complex information more relatable and easy to grasp. Now, let's add a layer of interactivity. This can truly elevate your infographic from good to great. Clickable links can direct viewers to additional resources or websites for further exploration if suitable. Subtle animations within the infographic can capture attention and keep the experience dynamic. For presentations, interactive elements like buttons or hotspots that reveal extra tidbits of information can be highly engaging. These elements immerse children in the content, enhancing both interactivity and intrigue. There you have it. You've transformed a simple Google slide into an educational and engaging infographic for kids. By integrating a thoughtful layout, vibrant colors, and interactive features, you've created something that not only informs but also entertains. So go ahead and share your work with the world. Happy creating!